Nothing much. Shoot, man. What he finna do right here? He finna go and pull it up, or he finna go get a bottle filled. What are he doing?
Ain't nobody know not to yet.
Yeah. Okay. 436 dispatch. We have a new security here, guys. He's the freaking level 3. He has a gun with the stun gun and an extra can of mace. You better watch it or he's on your ass. Look, there go Funky Time. Oh shit, this truck spraying. Let me see. Right lane for the win. Funky Town probably already been up here getting paid. Okay. I need to get my cards out. Hold on. Won't you bring some of? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go over here though. Get all my stuff situated over here. It's still kind of hot out here, like the sun out, y'all. Oh, my cords. I need some cords. Let me see some.
Yeah, same thing.
Okay.
LS for the win.
Oh snap, we got this that thing humming. I heard that little hum on it. You know when they got that little hum, it's gonna do something. He got a tune or something, y'all. Hey, my people that's watching on TikTok, y'all, we live right now on YouTube, Lookout Racing YouTube channel. Y'all can check it out, widescreen. Yeah, we at Yello Belly, Dallas, Texas. Angel No Martinez. No, this ain't a 5K phone. It's still that same one I had. My boy said we got 2,000 watching and 12 likes. Let's get them likes up one time for the one time.
Get him up there.
Let's get them up there.
What are you waiting on? Get him up there, bro.
Let's fucking go.
Let's go. This is Lookout's channel. It's pretty lit, bro.
It's pretty lit. Victor Martinez
lit.
say he just came from TikTok, y'all. Okay, he know how to do a burnout. Won't you bring some of your friends and let's fuck it up? Okay, we got sewage fruit, y'all. What kind of name is sewage fruit? Left lane for the win. Left lane for the win.
Where'd you get that?
Oh yeah, man. Go on, show him one time, man. Show my boy. Hey y'all, Mac Daddy Pro Line hand cleaner. He done got me a shirt. I want to show y'all what it look like.
Fresh off the lake, man. Check that shit out.
Oh yeah, I gotta move my car. All right, this the last one. Hey y'all, I gotta park a video, so I'ma park it. Hey y'all, I'm finna go park it, y'all. Damn. Ain't nobody warned me, man. Running and came back here, y'all. Why y'all? I told y'all run to be watching. Damn. Oh shit. I don't know. I don't even see Shane or nobody. Let me see something, man. Yeah, you either need to park it. That's what he said, y'all. You either need to park it or I don't even know what the hell else he said, but yeah. Uh-oh, he got that eco boost on here. Oh shit, I forgot about that. I gotta go up there. Okay. I need to tell somebody to pull it up. Yeah, you ready? It's right up there in the front. Come on. Come on! Okay, y'all, we ain't gonna miss nothing else. Yeah, I don't see no one. Look out. Yeah, I ain't gonna go too far away. All right, I ain't gonna go too far. Man, what the hell? I don't think they on my YouTube channel. Okay. Let me see something, y'all. Excuse me. Move your car, dude. Every time I get into the racetrack, there's freaking cars in the way.